I am back with another unboxing, even though I have not done it all summer. This is a new subscription box. It is called the Parcel of Terror from the company Crypticorium. It is $35 a month, and that includes shipping. And why I think it's worth the $35 is it's one guy. His name is Jason Kitrick. Sorry if I misspelled his or mispronounced his last name. But he hand makes all these items in these boxes. It's usually one wall hang and a magnet that's horror related, and every month has a theme. So it's not like some company kicking out thousands of dollars of the same product. He hand makes it. So I've liked it all. Like I think I said, let's see, 1, 2, 3. This will be my 5th month, and I'll show you the previous 4 months. The stuff in there so you can get an idea. Yeah, I like this box so far, and that brings up the topic of Nerd Block. Nerd Block, I guess, is no more. My favorite box was the horror block. I haven't gotten one since June, and I think the company just went belly up, so no more Nerd Block stuff. I canceled the sci-fan block because I was disappointed, but so instead, I'm trying, there's the BAM box, just came out with a horror block. It's like the BAM horror block. I missed out on the first month, which was this month, but I'm getting next month. So that's a new box that I'm going to try out because I love horror. And okay, so I'll just get right to it. So I'll show the magnets, the first 3 magnets. One was, I guess it was an alien theme. There was this guy, the alien mother. Another magnet was Pennywise. And he hand makes all this and paints them. And then was this guy, I don't remember exactly what movie for sure, but. And then I'll get to the wall hangs. So like I said, in the box, it's one wall hang and one magnet usually. So this was probably for the alien theme. This was a wall hang. Big sucker. And then this is a wall hang. The Edgar Allan, I'm guessing Poe. You know, the Raven. This had came broken, but I super glued it. But it works. So there's that. And then there was this cat. He's pretty cool. The wall hangs, you just hang on that. And the magnets just have. And then last month, there was only one item, but it was a one big magnet, which I can understand why there wasn't a wall hanging. It was this big shark. Big shark magnet. And it stays on the fridge pretty good. Alright, so that was the previous 4 months. Or 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 months, because this is the 5th month. So, just get right. It just comes in a plain white box. And each usually comes with some type of print or a sticker, but I don't have it for the other stuff. And then it is a letter that says everything, and that's his name. So in it, the print, looks like Lost Boys. And guest artist Brandon Zimmerman of Missorarium. That was a Lost Boy print. That's cool. And it always comes with a Crypticorium card. Oops, got my paper. And this month's sticker, it looks like it's Child's Play. A little bit Chucky. Alright, so let's get right into it. I don't know which one I'm opening, it's just a bag. It looks like bright. That's the magnet to the back. So that's pretty cool. Well done. And then the wall hang, which or the wall plaques come from the Cask of Amontillado, the movie. It's representation of the coveted bottle of wine that leads Fortunato to his horrific fate at the hands of Montresor. All these are made from resin. But this is the wall hang. That's pretty cool. Wall hang. Like I said, he hand makes all these. So I mean, it's one of a kind. Not one of a kind, but it's not, like I said, a company just making thousands of them. And usually, oh, there's an extra bag. I don't know what it could be. Oh, I just read what it is. Ah, for the first time there's a pin. And it's a Cthulhu pin. You make that clear? I don't know if you can get it clear. So that's new. There's never been a pin. And there's always usually a piece of candy of some type. And this looks like it's a little Frankenstein gummy. So yeah, that's the box. I'll keep getting it because I like this stuff. I've just been hanging the wall plaques up around my horror Funko Pop area, and the magnet's been going on the fridge. They stay on good. But yeah, that's it. It's the Parcel of Terror from Cryptoquarian. I'll put a link down below if you guys are interested in it. But yeah, I like this box. So yeah, I guess that's it for now. Bye bye.